Good afternoon. This is Vice Forecaster, Senior Forecaster, Vice Forecaster, JD Rapp with you in the Southern Illinois Region Weather Media Center. Now we have a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and this is for St. Louis area where we're having a cluster of storms developing right now, and this is why we're on to keep you informed. And we still been having storms that are popping up, so that's why we're continuing to go live right now. So right now I'm going to get this shared here, and since we got warnings for this area, I'll probably invite Ian on right now so he could join with. So we have a severe thunderstorm warning goes in place. So these are isolated cells. This does not look like a severe weather outbreak or anything like that. This just looks like a threat of a few storms could pop up and go severe. So we will wanting to let you know about this. So right now, I got the link sent to him, and I'm going to send it to the group side so it can go to the page. So let's go in here, and I'll stop the last frame here for you. This is a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, and these storms are trying to merge into a line or something. Looks like into one line. So we'll zoom into this severe thunderstorm warning, and I'll put the St. Louis side on. That might be better. So just give me a second. This is half the load. That's too far from the radar. Alright, severe thunderstorm warning up here. This goes in effect for eastern St. Louis, Missouri counties. Eastern St. Louis County and eastern Missouri into 4 o'clock. This is getting ready to expire. At 3:32, severe thunderstorm is located over Pine Lawn or near the center turn, moving at 60 miles an hour. So, not moving at 60, but hazardous 60 miles of wind gust. So, this severe storms will be in St. Louis around 3:40, and this also includes St. Joseph and State. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning that goes through about, looks like 4 o'clock. So we'll zoom in here, looking for the potential for sheared. We don't have any winds, but there's some gusty winds, 50 to 60 miles of wind with this. And I'll change for hail. We do got a little hail with this today. And you can see the last couple frames were pretty bad. Let me get this thing going here. And you can see earlier at that 318, that was a strong sail. So hail could be a strong storm, but we could be coming live again because we do have another severe thunderstorm warning up here in the St. Louis area. This storm is about a 20% of coming severe. And you can see gusty winds with that. So we're not concerned with tornadoes today. You never can say never. But a main threat is going to be frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, damage, and straight-line winds are going to be the concern with heavy rainfall that could lead to some flooding. So I'm checking the chat room, and since we're going into isolated storms, I'm going to bump it up to just the color orange, just low priority feed right now. But like I said, we could see these isolated sails that produce gusty winds, and this could go on for a couple days. The National Weather Service, while I'm on here, we're doing a live feed. We do have a heat advisory that does cover. Let me go into the graphics here, just a second here, and we'll do this real quickly and make this really quick. While we're on, I'm going to move up here because this is our St. Louis counties. And we'll get this back just a second. I'm very apologize. The internet is very slow today. But you can see that I'm going to change screens. I'll stop that screen. And we'll get back to the radar. The National Weather Service in St. Louis did issue a heat advisory. This goes through Thursday afternoon, so very, very also dangerous heat, fluid, and that's something we all have to be aware of too. So right now, I'm going to pop radar back up so we can get that going again. I was just going to pop on for this severe thunderstorm warning, but like I said, if we do see more advisories, and I think we could on a couple of these other ones, we'll pop on and break in again to let you know. But gusty winds, frequent cloud to ground lightning is going to be concerned with some flash flood warnings. Sometimes that will be last. And you can see the red color almost 1.5 inches. So if this storm holds together, we'll put the tracks on this. Some of this rain will be moving toward like Trenton, German, Kaufman. If it holds together, Centralia. It might clip our northern counties. So we will continue to keep you updated. Right now, I'm JD Rapp with you in the Illinois Region Media Center. We will keep you informed and break in. I'm Senior Vice Forecaster in the Region Media Center. We will continue to break in as we think there's a life-threatening situation.